Welcome to today's episode. We're diving into a fascinating topic, the future of knowledge and the importance of sharing it. It's not just about holding on to what we know anymore, but about how we can all contribute to a collective knowledge pool. It's a world where knowledge doesn't belong to anyone, it belongs to everyone.
Right, and in this world, if you hold on to everything for yourself, you're actually isolating yourself. Sharing knowledge is not just a trend, it's how we'll thrive moving forward. Think about it. How often do we actually let go of what we've learned to allow someone else to benefit?
Exactly. If we keep our knowledge to ourselves, it limits our growth. The more we share, the more we gain. We can't think of knowledge as mine anymore. It's like a giant potluck where you bring your dish, but everyone gets to enjoy what's on the table. And the more you give, the more you end up learning from others.
That's such a good metaphor. A lot of people still believe that holding on to their knowledge is the key to success. They think, if I keep this to myself, I'm ahead. But the reality is, sharing is what really pushes us forward. Without it, we're stuck in an isolated world.
Absolutely. And let's talk about the digital age we're in now. The internet, smartphones, these are tools that can help us access vast amounts of knowledge instantly. It's all there in front of us, but many people still don't use it properly. The key is to know how to access and use that information efficiently.
Right, the younger generation is growing up in this era of instant information. If you're not adapting, you're falling behind. Take something as simple as making a pizza. If you want to learn how to make one, just Google it. There's no need to struggle or be stuck with outdated methods. Information is at your fingertips, literally.
Haha, that's a great example. I mean, there was a time when we had to struggle to figure things out on our own, but now the information is everywhere. The internet is like a home where we can find everything we need, and it's not just for the younger generation. Anyone who wants to succeed needs to tap into this knowledge pool.
Yeah, we've moved beyond the days of, I have to figure this out myself. The older generation created the knowledge, and now it's up to us to use it. If we don't, we're wasting everything that's been handed down to us. The internet has made this knowledge so accessible, but we must learn how to use it wisely.
So true. The future is about how we use the tools available to us. It's no longer about building everything from scratch. It's about standing on the shoulders of giants, making improvements, and sharing what we know to keep the cycle going. Knowledge is meant to be shared.
Exactly. If you hoard it, you're just setting yourself up for isolation. The ones who are going to thrive are the ones who learn how to share and absorb from others. It's all about connectivity and cooperation.
So what can we do to embrace this mindset? It's about being open, absorbing more, and sharing freely. Let's stop thinking about knowledge as something personal and start seeing it as part of a larger collective effort.
That's the way forward. The moment we open ourselves up to sharing, that's when growth happens. Knowledge isn't yours to keep. It's meant to be passed on. The more we share, the more we all benefit.
Well said. It's all about letting go of that stubbornness. The future belongs to those who understand this concept of collective growth. It's not just about holding on, it's about spreading what we know and learning from others.
Absolutely. And with all the tools we have today, there's no excuse not to stay updated and connected. It's up to us now to use the knowledge we have in the most impactful way possible.
And that wraps up today's episode. We hope you're inspired to start sharing and using knowledge in a more open way. Let's keep pushing forward together.